Hey guys, I am beyond excited about this one. This one's really special. This one's really special. So I actually got this as a Christmas gift from my girlfriend. And um, I told her that this is honestly the best Christmas gift she could have gotten me. And you're going to find out exactly why in a moment here. What I have is a new box from Baarden. And today, the recording date of this video is January 10th, 2020. Tyson has not released this scent yet, so I actually have not even smelled it yet, even though it's been 2 weeks past Christmas. But I just cannot wait to try it. And out of respect to Tyson, this video is not going to go up until he releases this scent. So what does that all mean? Well, this is a scent that Tyson from Faithfully Bearded worked on together as a collab scent with Baarden. I'm super excited to see what is in here. I'll be honest, I've taken a peek. I know what the labels look like, but I have still not smelled any of these oils or balms or whatever's in here. I can't remember. I haven't looked at it since Christmas. So yeah, we're just going to do a scent impression, initial impression together. I'm going to have a fresh look at the labels again, and we'll see what we have. So you have here the usual Baarden presentation that you're used to, and we open that up to a card, which I will read to you guys. This is going into the stack of cards that I always keep. So the note actually goes out to my girlfriend. It says, "Andrea, thanks so much for supporting me and my small business and for getting Mick such a thoughtful gift. Mick, enjoy Reformed, my man. Can't wait to hear what you think. Beard your best, Adam." Well, you are going to hear what I think. And if I know Tyson the way I know Tyson, this is likely going to be amazing. So let's just have another peek here at the presentation, out of box, in box, whatever you want to call it. It's just amazing. Like Baarden has some of the best presentation out there, and every time I open a Baarden package, I am just elated. So let's have a look together here. So this is the label that Baarden and Tyson came up with for this Reformed scent. Now the ingredients on here, I'm reading jojoba seed oil, sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil, hemp seed oil, castor seed oil, and fragrance. So it doesn't say on here what the scent profile is, but fortunately, as you know, Baarden always has this little, there's a little phrase on there that kind of tells you what you can expect out of the scent. So this one says, "A man walked through life with a new sense of purpose. Demons behind him and angels beside him, and they thought this smelled good." Demons and angels? I don't know. Let's see what it smells like. Okay, wow. You know, every time I try a Baarden scent, the first time I smell it, my first initial reaction, my first initial thought that comes to mind is always, wow, this is my new favorite Baarden scent. And then I try another one and it's like, wow, this is my new favorite Baarden scent. And I'm kind of feeling the same with this one too, guys. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm it's a bit of a musky scent it's a bit of a musky scent with some cologne type undertones to it. I'm trying to pick up what it is, and like it's not on the website yet, so I can't. This is purely just like what I'm picking up here, and I honestly just I don't know how to describe it. Like I said, it's got this musky kind of sweet cologne-ish, deep rich cologne-ish type scent profile to it, but I want to at least pick up something and be right about it. You know what? Let's maybe warm it up a little bit in the hand and see what I can smell. I don't know. It's It reminds me of a cologne that I've used. I almost want to say it's like that Swiss Army cologne, or maybe like a CK Euphoria or something, with like some muskiness to it. I don't know how to describe this to you guys. I can't wait to find out what's actually in here. But wow, that is just such a great scent. Oils, usual, typical, medium weight oil. Guys, if you want to buy some Baarden products, I do have a discount code. I believe it is Beardy15. I'll put it on the bottom here just to be sure in case it isn't. Beardy15 gets you 15% off. And this is definitely one that you're going to want to try out. Got some beard butter here that came with it as well. And I also have some beard balm. I wonder if this is the beard balm plus or the beard balm. It looks like it's the regular beard balm. Okay, let's see what the balm is like. Oh, this has got to be the beard balm plus. It's a little bit harder to get out of the bottle, the tin, whatever you want to call it. But I'm gonna guess this is gonna warm up and melt down very nicely. And let's put it in beard. Guys, I just straightened my beard today and it is not looking good. I hope I didn't like heat damage my beard. So I apologize for the look. And maybe these great Baarden products will help repair my beard. But this just smells so good. I cannot wait to use these products. The thing that I like about Baarden is it is just like, it is my number one company. I mean, there's been a lot of other companies that I haven't tried out yet that people say do an amazing job at softening your beard, but specifically Baarden products always do such an awesome job at softening my beard that I already know that this is going to be an amazing beard week for me in terms of feeling beard. And then I'm just curious to see how long these scents will actually last in beard. We're gonna look at the beard butter here too to see how that comes out. That is a nice, easily comes out there. This is gonna melt down like butter very quickly. I'm gonna toss that in too. Yeah, this is gonna be a good beard week. This is gonna be a really good beard week, guys. I'm just so happy and so thankful that I got to try out these products before the actual release, because my girlfriend took the time to reach out to Adam and say, hey, I know Mick likes your products, but he has everything that you have. He already has everything that you have to offer. So, you know, is there anything new coming out that you can maybe provide me with? And so I didn't even tell her that there was this new scent with Tyson. This is all totally random. I'm just completely blown away that that this is something that my girlfriend did for me, and I'm just super thankful. Just feeling really blessed in this moment right now, guys. And I'm gonna try not to cry in a video this time. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next week. And tell you all about how this was feeling beard, and just how long the scents lasted. And then maybe by that time, well, actually, maybe I might not even post this next week because I don't know when Tyson's actually going to release it. So I'm just going to have to, I guess, I don't know, use this for a couple of weeks, and hopefully Tyson releases it by then. And thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next week. So I don't know when this video is going. And that's the problem with recording more than one video in a day. You have to remember to change your shirt, and that's how the pros do it. Almost all the lights went. It actually kind of reminds me of, shoot, what is it called? Is that one with like the Swiss? Let's just look it up.
Perfect.